so this video is gonna be a little bit different. I just got done polishing this C43 AMG that you guys are gonna see here in a couple weeks, maybe next week, I'm not really sure. But I did not have time to edit a detailed video this week. So this video is gonna be a little bit different. It is gonna be a waterless wash on my car, or a rinseless wash on my car. We went to an Audi event, it was a lot of fun. And I just didn't want to put the time into a video that would just be crap and then release it. If I don't like it and don't want to watch it, then I don't want to release it to you guys. So I hope you all understand. Enjoyed this video. It was a pretty fun time all around. It might be a little jumpy here and there, but the car, a little bit of news on the car. It's nice, it's coated, it's glossy. You guys will see that as we wash it. I got a phone call, so I'm gonna go. Enjoy the video, guys. That couldn't have worked out any better. Oh, this is not fun. Hey, how's it going? Vlog day. In today's vlog, we're not doing a whole lot, so I got some news to cover about what's been going on, some stuff that is coming, and some stuff that I have been doing. So if you guys are willing to sit down with me for a little bit and go over all this stuff, this is really difficult. Here, let me move. Oh, that's a lot better than the floor. So what have I been up to the last 2 weeks, since now these vlogs are going to be every 2 weeks because that's a realistic time frame. We went on a Central Florida Audi Group rally drive thingy to a bakery in South Leesburg. Had a lot of fun. I'll throw some clips in there later. I did some first person action with my camera and my new gimbal, stuff like that. It was really fun, really fun. Got some awesome clips. Coated my car. My car is now coated. We went ahead and corrected about 90–95% of the paint, and then put some crystal serum light on it with EXO. It was about 6 days worth of work done in 3 days, so I did not record it because I could not spare the time to pull out a camera. But the car does look amazing, and you'll guys see it here in a second because we're gonna do a rinseless wash on it while I wait for the delivery of a C43 AMG Mercedes. And that is going to be dropped off for the week, and you guys will see that video here soon. This ought to be a nice little vlog. I got a lot of footage of the rally and stuff, so you guys will enjoy that. Actually, you know what, now that I think about it, before we start anything, let's just go ahead and roll the cinematic I made for the rally now. Alright, so usually you guys don't see the other side of me that does all the other types of car work. Usually you just see me washing a car, but I also do car photography and car videography on the side for fun, as well as for some money here and there. And so this is me going to Yala Bakery, I think it's called, in like South Leesburg here in Florida with some buddies with the Central Florida Audi Group. And just to give you some raw first-person footage of me first trying out my new gimbal, I figured it would be a little funny, and it would also show you guys the other side of me, that, you know, stuff I do on the side. So sit back and have fun. I'll roll some photos as well, but mostly this is just going to be gimbal footage right out of the camera, showing you how I got some of the shots from that opening cinematic that you guys just saw. It's not the complete set because I didn't shoot everything first person. I didn't have the nerve to walk around with the chest mount and everything. I got nervous. I was like, no, I can't do this. Yeah, so this week's vlog is going to be a little bit different, showing you guys the car photography side of me. So I hope you guys enjoy it.
Up really well just for
Oh yeah, it doesn't look that bad at all.
I mean, it definitely, what's your week looking like before?
Oh, that's a great question.
Because I went up on
Was that 20th? Yeah, so yeah, the week before fixed best, I'm clear.
We'll figure it out, yeah. I want to get it to like a good, like what we talked about.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we can do that. Sounds good, man. We gotta fucking lower this down. There we go.
Oh, it's a...
I don't really use audio.
Okay.
I just throw music over it and do fancy like transitions and all right, I'm not gonna wear my seatbelt for a little bit. I hope this car doesn't run.
Go back down 30 degrees back, or can you jump on right here for the overpass?
Put it behind you. Put the waistband.
What? Oh yeah, true. I don't know. He's talking to Zach.
They're going towards Orlando. So if you take a left down here, and then take a right on the 33. Yeah, dude, you speed bumps are so fun. I hit one 2 weeks ago and broke one of my wheels. I thought it was 150 off. Grip.
Yeah, that S5 ain't fast enough to turn eyes, bro. You better chill. I'm so happy.
Mine has me going on 33.
Something just flew off my camera.
Well, don't we jump on I-4 and then hit 429? Yeah, I'm saying if you want me to go right here, you can jump on I-4 right there.
Oh, it's a fucking bug. I thought.
Touching your tires.
No, the minute. Oh, hold on, I gotta record this and I'll about it. Hold on. I'm so happy you did that. Oh shit. Okay, no, I put my gimbal out the window because I was like, oh wow, this is great. And then something immediately flew at me that was black. And I was like, oh, some part of my camera just broke. Already. No, it was a bug. I'm gonna have to go windows up here now. Ooh, is he on E? As for the car and my ridiculously long hair that needs another freaking haircut, look how good that looks. So good. It's wet because it's raining outside, but yeah. Let's go ahead and set up a time lapse of washing this thing starting once I roll out of frame. Alright guys, and that brings us to the end of this video. Real quick before we go into the ending part, how does this look? This is my new camera. I made the platform switch from Canon to Sony. I have a Sony a7 III now, and definitely much more up my alley for the car photography stuff. This is the low light king, as they call it, and I can tell you right now with the settings I have sitting in my very dark room, I am so happy with this camera. I can't wait to show you guys footage just in the future whenever we go and do stuff. Like I'm I'm just so excited. I can't even talk. Anyways, yeah, once again, I'm very sorry this isn't a detailed video. I really just did not feel comfortable taking what little time I had and pushing some freaking video out and then it be really bad. Like, I didn't want it. You know, these videos take quite a while to edit, and like maybe 16 to 18 hours worth of editing pretty much every week is dedicated to that. I go to work at 8 a.m. I go to the shop at like noon, and then I get home usually around 7 or 8, and then I edit from 8 till about midnight every single day. And now I just, you know, I only had maybe 30 minutes to an hour every single night, which I could throw something together, but then I just wouldn't be happy or proud or, you know, like what I would have uploaded. And for my own benefit as well as yours, I didn't want to upload it. So if you guys like the video, please take a minute and help me out by going down and pressing the like button, and press subscribe if you like car detailing content, car photography content, car shenanigans, all that stuff. Share the video with a friend too if you would like to, although I would wait till we get a detailing video out probably next Friday. And the car you saw at the very beginning, I might edit that one up right away because this has turned into my favorite detail I've ever done. This paint was really, really bad, and insanely bad. Like, I'm talking small stuff here and there, insane scratches, water etching, everything, man. But we got up to about 95% corrected, and it's just, oh my god. So stick around for that, and I will see you all next week with another video. Thank you so much for watching, and adios. All right, I gotta turn this off.